Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting problem from Oxford University, and we're here to solve for all values of x that will satisfy this equation. So in this video, I'll be making use of some algebraic ideas, and we're going to consider three cases here. So let's start with the first case. Let's call it case 1. For our case 1, we have that 1 to the power of anything is equal to 1, right? With this reason, we're going to let this denominator equals 1 and solve for x. So we have here that this implies that 2x plus 13 can be equal to 1. Now subtract 13 from both sides, we get 2x is equal to 1 minus 13, which is negative 12. Divide both sides by 2, which is a coefficient of x. So from here, we get x is equal to negative 6. So you can see we have our first solution. Now let's go to second case. Let's call it case 2. For our case 2 here, we know that negative 1 to the power of even is equal to 1, right? So this implies that we can still let the base 2x plus 13 equals negative 1 and solve for x. Subtract 13 from both sides, we get 2x is equal to negative 1 minus 13 will give us negative 14. Divide both sides by 2. So from here we have another solution, x is equal to negative 7. Okay, interesting, right? Okay, then what should be our final case, which is the case 3? Well, we're very familiar with that, right? So for case 3 here, let's consider the following. We know that a to the power of 0 will always be equal to 1, provided that a is not equal to 0. So this will imply that the exponents, we're going to let that equal 0, which is x squared minus 9. So this will be equal to 0. Add 9 to both sides of this equation. So we get x squared is equal to 9. Take the square root on both sides, we get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. You can see that this equation is really very interesting. So we have 4 solutions, right? So we have x is equal to negative 6, x is equal to negative 7, x is equal to negative 3, and x is equal to 3. Wow, 3 is the only positive root here. So these are the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.